god.
Alright.
That?
Nice. For not being lucky though.
Traffic. Again.
Traffic.
Always.
This car is insane, dude. The backfires are so loud.
YouTube doesn't do it justice. And
No.
and I continually say that.
It does not.
No one believes me. I have many video proof of everyone being like, what the? This car is stupid. Sorry.
It's a silly car. It's definitely something someone my age does not need, but I'm gonna build it anyways.
I mean, I was 19 when I bought it. I mean, I'm 24 now. I got the Ellison at 2 years ago, so I was 22 when it got popped in. But the thing is, I'm smart now because I messed up when I was younger. I got tickets, so that's why I don't speed anymore. Don't want to do that.
Yeah, I still speed, but I'm only 20, so gotta get it.
My car's too loud to sit in my driveway for too long. So like when I started, I just started, and then I rolled down the block at like 20 while it hits operating temp.
Pretty much get in, nerd. We're going to Petco. Have you never seen that?
No. Dead stuff.
Dude, it's been nothing but this all day.
What's crazy is like I don't ever sit in traffic because of the time of like my schedules, the way I function them. It's like I get to work at 12, so there's no traffic, or I leave at 7, so there's no traffic. But it's like today has been nothing but traffic. We got to PEYTON during rush hour, and then we left the city during rush hour, and it's been this the whole time. Horrible, horrible. If you ever come to New York, do not travel between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. and don't travel between 2 and 7 p.m. Those are the times to stay away from. At least on the highways.
What was
so
that?
Annoying.
Yo.
You can hear from so far away.
I know it's a no-no to ask, but I'm gonna ask anyways. When you started it, why did it go zing?
Go for it. After the guys did my, alright, I guess not. After the guys did my exhaust, like, woo!
That scared me.
And hopefully the roads over here aren't too bad.
Oh my god. Yo, I got that on film. Yo, we just hit the craziest divot.
I'm gonna have to hit it again. After the guys did my exhaust, eventually one of them, like, kind of, I guess the weld gave out a little bit for some reason. So I had somebody welded it up again, but he welded them too close together. So they don't hit. But on cold start, the way that it's vibrating, they slap each other a little bit and make a zing noise. So like right now,
it was really weird. It was like,
yeah, it's my exhaust tips touching each other for like a split second. But,
oh damn.
so that just happened. So
I'm gonna try to get it. I'm gonna try to get it.
I mean, that guy's whole front fender and
wheel's gone. What do you think he did? Smack the wall?
I think he probably hit someone and then hit the wall.
Dang. Sad day. Oh, wait. Is this the other car? Oh my. Holy sh.
I don't know. I guess a tire had to have gone over the wall and hit that guy's car. That's the only thing that would make sense.
Yo, I cussed. I'm sorry. But,
I'll bleep it out. It's gonna start getting loud now. It's really like.
yo, that's awesome. Oh my god. What? The Miata wanted some.
I don't race. No more racing.
No, I know, but that's funny.
Look at Daddy Twin.
I'm looking.
That's not okay.
What?
I'm underage.
But you're holding the sign, so that's it.
No. How do you get it? Oh, okay.
He's like, I'm underage.
So where you at?
All right.
So that?
Nice.
Stop pointing that way.
All right.
The Princess Bayside? 3-star reviews.
Can't get better than that.
Still going.
Don't let him go.
Hi, dude.
Cheats. Oh fuck. No. I was kidding. Oh, what? No, you don't. Wait, come here. Get away from me. I can't keep that in.
Is he a vlogger?
H2O drama. It begins.
Yeah, even if my boy backs out, I gotta $50. I'm not worried about it.
It's a lot of money, man.
Hello? Yeah, I'm not. What do you mean you're thinking? You have no choice. Yo, you literally screwed all of us there. Yo, Dean cannot fit 6 people in his car on top of the 2 people he has in the back.
CJ wants to go on again.
No, only a little bit. Yeah.
Just a little bit.
What do you mean? You said you got off.
So while we were sitting in traffic before for like 3 hours, Sean decided to lean back so hard on my chair that he snapped my lever.
How about you go f yourself?
Shoot them! Shoot them! This is back again!
And now my girlfriend
She doesn't know.
might have to lean back all the way back every time to get in my car until I buy a new truck.
What the fuck? Oh! I need this clip out. I need this clip out. Don't you touch my ass.
You really snapped it. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get some light so I can show them.
Yo.
Oh my goodness, he snapped the whole lever off. If this car was not enough. Not bad enough.
Can I have light, please?
Okay.
Oh my goodness. As if this car wasn't bad enough.
If it wasn't bad enough!
Oh my.
Suck my.
Yo.
Here we go.
I am dripping. Can we do it?
Oh! Come on! Oh! I got it!
All right, well, put it proper.
I'm putting it proper.
What if I put a newer?
This thing's never moving, ever. For not being lefty, that was not bad.
Why so?
How is it? Better than Indiana pizza?
A lot better.
Yeah, there you go. Stop.
I'm trying to figure out what you're saying.
It's hot.
Wait, here, let come. I gotta get this cheese out of the way first.
What's wrong with you? You guys supposed to eat that, man.
You're not supposed to eat the cheese.
You're supposed to rip all the cheese off.
And then just sauce, bread, and the pepperoni.
And then at the end, you take a ball of cheese in your hand and...
The cheese is a protective layer. It protects the sauce.
What's going on? How you doing?
I gotta give you a nip.
I'm going my nips.
Oh, he touched the nip.
My nips.
Yeah, how was the pizza?
Yo. We still got some if you want some.
Yeah. Pizza?
Yeah.
Did you get the cupcakes?
No. I know, man. Dude, it's been a long day.
It has. Like literally, as soon as I got off the plane, they're like, "And New York, let's go."
In New York.
And then we sat in 2 hours of traffic.
No, because I kept checking like your location. I was like, is he gonna get to CJ's? And I just kept seeing you on the highway, and I was like,
Dude, it was so...
Dude, we were on there for like 3-4
We were doing
hours.
like 20 the entire time.
Hey, but good news is I'm gonna try to move here.
hey, welcome to New York.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
What I do?
Gotta love it.
Yeah. Oh, he went. Man's is getting
Yeah,
it,
he's
boy.
sending it. K8 Turbo if you guys want to know. Okay, yeah. Just
How you doing?